you would hit it. So you guys that don't carry with the safety on anyway, that's no big deal to you. But some of us that carry with safety on, that is a big deal. So, and we're not going to get into the debate about that because, you know, there's debate on both sides about all that. So, anyway, I don't think there's really a right or wrong. It's just preference. So, anyway, there she is, the Sig P365. Super nice. You can buy these things for $4.99 if you can find them. So anyway, we'll give you some more video on it as we get to go out and shoot it. If they'll ever open the gun ranges back up, we'll go shoot this baby and we'll give you some more impressions of it. But everything I've heard so far has been really, really wonderful. So we will catch you next time on Dad's Garage. Please hit the subscribe and the thumbs up for us. We really appreciate when you do that. Any comments or questions that you have, please put them down there. The reason why I even started looking back at the P365 again was because of a comment that someone made on the Hellcat video that I did. You know, he made a comment that he didn't really care for the Hellcat too much either, and he went with 365 and he absolutely loves the 365. So that's what made me even go start looking at it again. And then when I found that thumb safety was available, I was in. So anyway, that is it for now. I do appreciate, again, if you would subscribe, if you would hit the thumbs up. We'll keep bringing you more videos with unboxings, reviews, just opinions, things like that. So anyway, that's it for now on Dad's Garage. Thought I would show you this too. I'm here in the pitch dark. Yeah, there we go. It's hard to find them on the camera because the camera didn't want to pick them up either, but check out those sights and the pitch black on this thing. That's cool. Anyway, thought I'd throw this in there for you.